Volcano burns in my heart, flames and rocks burst forth with the cry of the song. Your feelings are complex phenomenon that changing the map of the world. Your tears like violent torrents that can blow up terrible storm. Volcano, open the tunnel to inference circle of blinders. Appear before God's tribunal, those who never accept in the light. Impossible. You choose the direction to move, to reap the fruits of a great victory. Your principles have to be proved. They make you happy as well, the world bad, and flowers come into full bloom. Volcano will never go out like candle, like cardamom scent of perfume. Turn the button, you feel like immortal, have no time of trouble at all. Let's make the volcano erupting welfare and cultivate good deeds as well.